Yes, people, walk on, man. I lock up a place like shoes days. Look at now, people. You see, I saw me a time my shoes lace, people, cause I lock a place, you know, Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen in my lucky place. Like shoes lace. So you see, if you don't have any shoes lace, you must strip up. You must walk and strip up. But look what I go on to the people. See it here? At the kitchen. You see it? This at the tropical kitchen pan wheels. You see it? Yeah, man, at the tropical kitchen pan wheels. So today, people, I've got a vegetable rice for you guys today, people. Yeah, nice vegetable rice. I got some pumpkin here. I got some cabbage here, people. I got some okra here, people. I got my Scotch bonnet pepper. I got my chili pepper. Pumpkin. And my carrot. Alright, people, look what I want, people. I got something to show you guys today, yeah, car. I got something new to show you guys, yeah. Yeah, man, it's the Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision cutting board. Yeah, that's right, it's the cutting board, people. So this I'm gonna use today, people. And if you want to get a cutting board and you want to have one of these in your kitchen, just link up Ringo Vision, you get me, and you can get one of these, people. Yeah, alright, bless up. Right, people, as you can know, yeah, Ringo Vision today, I've brought the kitchen in the environment, so you might hear some background noise from time to time because I'm in the environment. Jay, show them where I'm there. I'm in the environment, people, yeah? You might hear background noise because people are here just doing their own thing, said way, but as you know, Ringo Vision just bring the kitchen anyway. So don't watch the background noise, people, yeah? But look what's happening, yeah? Today, yeah, look. I've got my pot boiling up with water just ready here for my rice. Yeah, I've half washed my rice already. I'm gonna wash my rice a little bit more, yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my rice a little bit more and put my rice in the pot. And just as I've washed my rice and put my rice in the pot, I've got all of these to go in before I put my rice in the pot. So I've got my pumpkin, I've got all my vegetables that I'm gonna cut up right now, people. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna start with my pumpkin.
They makes beats.
My first set of ingredients that I'm putting in my pot is my carrots. Also gonna add my thyme. Peel some garlic as well. Yeah, man, people. How did you guys enjoy the train episode? Did you guys enjoy it? Just put in the comments them. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know, it says our vibes right now, people. Yeah, I'm out here. I'm in the environment. Yeah, I'm in the environment. I find a kitchen in our next environment. And you know, it says just some vegetable rice, people, that I'm giving you real quick. Just I cut up the garlic right now to get my flavors coming up. You know, I need to get my flavors coming up. My hot chili pepper. Get my flavors coming up. Cause you know, say it's a vegetable rice, but I'm gonna have it a bit spicy as well. It's a spicy vegetable rice, yeah. I've got my onion as well that I'm peeling to put my onion in. So I'm adding some pumpkin now. People, this is my Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning, yeah? So I've got a few different type of flavors and aromas that I've got at home. So what I've done, I've put a few of them together that I use to infuse whatever I'm doing, whether it's vegetables, whether it's fish, whether it's a meat kind. I use the same ingredients. So I keep my flavors the same all the time, people, yeah? Alright people, I'm just gonna be adding now the rest of my vegetables. So I've got my cabbage to add. So I'm just gonna chop my cabbage. So this now people, yeah, I'm just adding some heat, Scotch bonnet pepper, yeah, to give the chill to the rice. Some okra. I'm gonna add just a bit more garlic, you know, say garlic is this one here is a good one just to be having in your food. It's an antibiotic, it's a good one, it's a healing one. So I'm gonna use more of the garlic today, people. So people, you know, say, yeah man, we have to taste the carrot, you know? Nice and crunchy and sweet and delicious. So I got some oil in there, people, yeah? And put a tiny little bit of oil in my pot today, people. You know what time it is. Ringo Vision, I'm here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, just a little tip, man. Yeah? People, you know, so I have to turn up the fire, you know, because I'm ready to put my rice in right now, yeah, so I need my pot to be bubbling the right way, yeah, so I'm just turning up my fire right now, getting the heat on, you get me? Yeah, nice. Have a look, people. What, you think it's a joke? You think I joke? Right now my rice is washed and ready. I'm ready to put my rice inside my pot right now of boiling water. So what I'm gonna do right now is just gonna pour my rice out. Simple. I might not put all of it in because I think I might have washed too much rice. So let me just see. Let me check it out. Yeah, I think that's just the amount. I'm not gonna put no more rice in there. This is smelling lovely. This is looking lovely. Just waiting for it to set, people. Yeah, on our way. Yeah, vegetable rice is on its way, people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Ringo's out in the environment. Yeah, man, I hope you like, comment and subscribe. Remember, people, yeah, this is just a quick episode, yeah. Just showing you, say, raw, you can cook a quick meal. Because this is just a quick meal, yeah. Because this meal, again, is under a fiver as well. And again, it's cooked in the tropical kitchen outside, people, yeah. So it's not a joke thing. When I lock up a place like, what? People, what? Shoes lace. Alright, people. I've got a plant and I'm only gonna use half of it today. Okay. And simply, yeah, I'm gonna do my planting like this. You can see, I've just wrapped it nice like a present basically. I'm gonna put it here on the grill and just let it take time and just roast. And remember people, this is a perfect meal for vegetarian, ital as well, people who don't eat meat, who don't eat fish. This is the perfect meal as well. Plantain, roast plantain and vegetable rice with a bit of spice. You see it, Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, lock up a place like what? Shoes lace. Tell everybody say a place I lock up, yeah? Alright people. Have a look at the rice. Let me just dip my fork into my rice. Yeah, see that people, it's coming on. Vegetables are cooked. Look at the fork. It just went straight in there just like that. With no ease. With just ease, sorry. As you can see here, look. Onions, scotch bonnet, thyme, cabbage. Everything's happening there. Ginger, carrot. Yeah man, as you can see as I'm talking, the rice is even formulating. You know? So I'll just leave it there and it just simmer there. So I'm not even gonna turn the rice, people. I'm just gonna let it do its own thing, just cook by itself. Alright. And you know, this one was just a quick one, people, yeah. Just some vegetable rice Ringo Vision wanted to do in the tropical kitchen. Cause you're gonna see more of the tropical kitchen, people, yeah. Have a look. The tropical kitchen, yeah. Yeah man. The tropical kitchen, people, yeah man. Alright, show you here. Again, don't forget people, yeah. You can order one of these from Ringo Vision today, yeah. Just put it in the DM, order your 24-hour kitchen cutting board and order. You've seen the apron already. And if you ain't seen the apron, just check the first episodes and a few of the other episodes, you will see the apron. Even Chefing on the Chain, part of it had the apron as well. So don't forget people, yeah, to hit me up for a cutting board, hit me up for an apron. We're ready people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Subscribe, don't forget to share it with friends and family. Look on the rice again. Yeah man, look on my shoes lace. Yeah man, them tight so I can't trip over, so nothing can't go wrong people, cause my shoelace is tight. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So when your shoelace tight and you're focused, yeah, you can't make the wrong decision, because Ringo Vision don't make the wrong decision. So the right decision, yeah, is a vegetable rice. You see it? You thought it was a joke, innit people? It's not a joke. Look, right now, yeah, everything has happened. Completion. Look at that, the smoke, the aroma that's coming out of this. Let me lift up the pot, people, so that you can see this in the light right now, because it's not a joke. Alright people, it's not a long thing, yeah. I'm finished now, I'm completed. That's what I had for you guys today, yeah. It was just a steamed veg with the rice, all in one, quickly for the vegan, vegetarian, ital. You know what time it is people, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, yeah. Ringo Vision, yeah. It's the tropical kitchen people, yeah. Don't forget. So I'm just gonna share out a meal quickly so that you can see how it looks in a plate people, quickly. But thanks for watching people, and don't forget again to like, comment and subscribe people, yeah. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. This is it guys, yeah. It's just a little small servings, yeah. Just so that I can taste it now, cause I ain't tasted it yet, but me talking. The cabbage, the spice, the carrot, everything's happening there people. I'm finished. Come and check me. Look, I've got a next episode coming again, guys, soon. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, see you later. I'm finished.